Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to tell you how you can make storage more than 5 GB. So without wasting any time, let's start. Number 1. Open your File Explorer. Simply right-click C Drive and open Properties. After opening, click for Disk Cleanup. Now select All checkbox and click for Clean Up System Files. Remember, first click for System Files because it will show extra temporary files, which will ending up in making more storage. Again, tick All checkbox. And now click for OK. It will delete all temporary files. It will take some time to delete. After deleting, click for Tools. And then click for Check. It will check any error that is in the computer, and then it will remove the error. It will take 5 minutes, so I will go and make a cup of tea. It is scanned and my device doesn't have any error. Now close it. Number 2. Press Windows +R. And then search for %temp%. And then enter. It will open all the temporary files that take space in your device. Press Ctrl+A and then delete it. Remember to tick the checkbox. And then click Skip. Close it. Then again press Windows +R. Now type temp. Then enter. Repeat the process. Again Windows +R. Now search for prefetch. Then enter. Now continue. Repeat the process. Again Windows +R and search for msconfig. Hit enter. Click on Boot. Click for Advanced option. Click on Number of processes if it is not, and select the highest number that is in your device. Mine is 4, so I will select 4. Then click OK. Then Apply, then OK. Then restart your device for better results. I will not click Restart because I have already done this process. Again, click Windows +R. Search for Tree for a boost in your device. Number 3. Now open CMD and click Run as administration. And then paste the line that I will add in description. Then enter. After enter, remember, if there does not come blank output, it means you didn't open CMD as Run as administration. After this, close CMD and open File Explorer. You can see my device has just free only 1 GB because I have ton of big softwares such as GoLogin, VS Code, OBS Studio, Bit, and ton of other software. So, in your case, you will have more than 5 GB. If you watch till the end, do a favor and subscribe. So in future, I CNA make more videos like this one.